Hey crafty friends, it's time for Christmas in July. The Spellbinders monthly kits are here and I have been busy crafting away. I have made 5 cards so far. Let me show you which clubs I used to make each card. So this first card, I stitched all the diamonds with a cream thread and added a pearl, and then I used some white gems for the center of the snowflakes, and I cut the card base using the stitched die as well to create a shaped card. So the stitched club comes with 2 dies that work together or separate, and you have the main shape die and then the snowflake front plate. The Winter Cheer sentiment is from the clear stamp set this month, and I also have the coordinating dies as well, so you can choose to get both or just the clear stamps. These next 2 cards are some fun shaped mug cards. I made them and used 2 different clubs for the backgrounds. I think the penguin mug is super cute, especially with the candy cane in the whipped cream. The background for this card is a shiny rose gold foil, and I used some white glitter paper as part of the whipped cream. So the shaped mugs are from the small die of the month, and you get the pieces to make both a penguin and a deer, as well as all the pieces for the Santa mug, as well as some handles and the scarf pieces. This is a fun set with a lot of possibilities, and I love that it's both winter and Christmas themed. So Festive Press is the BetterPress plate this month, and this is the plate I used the rose gold foil to create the shiny background for my penguin card. And this set comes with 2 sentiments and the flag die to cut them out with. The sentiment is from the clear stamp set, and I used the coordinating die. Now for the Santa die, I paired it with this month's stencil to create the background. So this month it includes 5 stencils. 4 to create the left pattern, and 1 to create the heart pattern on the right. So this mitten card was a lot of fun. I added a Glimmer snowflake background, and I raised the mittens using some foam tape. I love when I'm able to get my hands on a set that can be used for winter cards and not just for the Christmas holiday season. So the snowflake background is using the Glimmer plate this month, and this plate also comes with 2 sentiments, and that is Let It Snow and Sending Winter Hugs. So this plate can be used with the BetterPress system as well if you don't have the Glimmer foil machine. The mittens are from the large die of the month. You get the sweater sleeves and the mittens. So the wavy dies can be used to create a steam effect like it's coming off the hot mug. I used the snowflake on top of my hot cocoa drink, but this set also comes with a Santa and a snowman for even more possibilities. The sentiment with this set says warm cocoa wishes, but for my card, I went with the clear stamp set and coordinating die. The final card I made is this fun gingerbread card. I have an embossed background, and I even used some enamel dots for the gumdrop buttons. And the embossed background was created using this month's embossing folder. The gingerbread people are this month's bonus item when you subscribe to the Deluxe Caboodle box. This die coordinates with the small die set and includes a die to cut the top off the gingerbread man if you want to add whipped cream to turn this little cutie into a mug. The last item this month is the wax seal. So this month it is square shaped. If you join the monthly subscription for this item, Spellbinders usually sends you a bag of wax beads. Some months will not include the wax beads, but they will arrive with another item related to wax sealing. I was playing around with the seal and I made these 2. I think I'm going to add them to the envelopes of my Christmas cards this year. So this month has been a lot of fun to create with. I love that I can make winter cards and not just Christmas cards. I do hope you have been inspired by my creations. And if you would like any of the products I used, I will have links in the description box below, as well as on my coordinating blog post. And have a crafty day. Bye!